The last topic to talk about with significant digits is how to use it when figuring out pH. Now you may remember this from last year, or grade 11 math, but the formula for pH is equal to negative log times the concentration of H3O plus ions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to plug this number into here. So when we do that, the equation becomes pH is equal to negative log 0.0054. So when we take this and we put it into our calculator, what you'll see is that we get a value that's negative 1.2676. And when we multiply these two negative signs together, we end up with a number that is positive. Now how do I figure out how many digits here are significant? Well, if you look up here, we've got two digits here that are significant. Therefore, that tells us how many decimal points we have. So this number here is going to cause us to round up, which means that my final number with significant digits is 1.27. So for our next example right here, we can see we've got 3 digits. So the 3 digits means that our number is going to have 3 numbers after the decimal point. The numbers before don't matter. So yet again, our formula for pH is equal to negative log H3O plus. So when I plug that in, we can see that our number ends up becoming 11.19928. So we can see 3 digits, so we're going to have to take these 3 digits. And because this doesn't round up, our final pH is 11.199. This shows 3 significant digits. Our last example is when we use the formula backwards. So this time we know the pH and we want to figure out the concentration of H3O plus. So if we plug that in, 4.5 is equal to negative log H3O plus. So what we'll do is we'll bring this negative sign to the over here, and we're going to do the opposite of the log function. So 10 to the negative 4.5 is equal to H3O plus. For a lot of you, what that's going to be is you're going to look for a 10x button, which is probably the second function of log on your calculator. So when I plug that in, what I get as my number is 3.1622 times 10 to the negative 5. So again, how many significant digits are there? There is only one. It's not 4.5, it's just 0.5. So which means my final answer, therefore, for H3O plus is equal to 3 times 10 to the negative 5.